Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Qilk for data analytics. First, log into Qlik Sense or Qilk View. These are the platform you will use to analyze your data. Once logged in, you can start by uploading your data. You can do this by selecting the Add Data option, where you can upload various files including Excel sheets, CSV files, or connect to databases like SQL. After uploading the data, use the Data Manager to organize and clean it. These steps allows you to remove duplicates, fill missing values, or transform the data for better analysis. Data modeling tool in Qilk will help structure your data effectively for easier insights. Next, create charts, graph, or dashboard by simply dragging the data fields to the visualization panel. For example, you can create bar charts, pie charts, line graph, and other visual to better understand the trends and patterns in your data. Once you've built your analysis, apply filters to drill down further into specific data points or time periods. You can explore different segments of your data in real time. Finally, save your work and share it. Qilk allows you to save your dashboards and share them with your team or stakeholders, enabling collaboration and deeper insights across the organizations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.